DSE Math Past Paper 2020, Paper 2, Question 2. So this is about change of subject. So the question is A times A plus B equal to 2 times B minus A. We need to change the subject to B. So first of all, there are brackets, so we try to remove the bracket first by rainbow method. So A times A give us A squared. A times B give us positive AB. And on the right hand side, also remove the bracket by rainbow method. 2 times B, 2B. 2 times negative A, negative 2A. So I want B be the subject. So I put all the terms including B on one side. So AB on the left hand side, I keep it, so just copy it down. And I want to move 2B from the right hand side to left hand side. Change sign, change operation. On the right hand side, 2B is plus. So when you move to the left hand side, so positive become negative. Change sign, change negative. From addition, change to subtraction. So minus 2B equal to negative 2A on the right hand side. I just keep it and copy it down directly. And I also want to move A squared from left hand side to right hand side. Left hand side is addition, change sign, change operation. So addition change to subtraction. So minus A squared. On the left hand side, because there are more than one term including the subject B, so we can factorize by taking out the common factor. Take out B, so we have A minus 2 on the left hand side. So on the right hand side, you can just copy it down, negative 2A minus A squared. So we can obtain B as the subject by dividing the whole bracket A minus 2 on both sides. Or you can also change the whole bracket from left hand side to right hand side. On the left hand side, B multiply with the bracket, so it's multiplication. When you change sign, change operation. So you need to change multiplication to division when you move it from left to right. So B is left, and right hand side should be negative 2A minus A squared divided by A minus 2. So on the upper part, in the numerator, both terms are negative. You can change it to positive, so which is 2A plus A squared. When you change positive, it means that you just put the negative sign in the denominator. So when you put it in the denominator will become positive A will become negative A. Negative 2 will become positive 2. Okay, so if you want to present it in a better way, so this is A squared plus 2A on the top, at the top. Should be on the top. And in the denominator should be 2 minus A. So this is the answer. The answer should be C. Yeah, thank you. That's all.